Alright, here's the easiest way that I have found to install the forward pivot pin on the Ar-15. All you're going to need, excuse the bad camera, all you're going to need is a pin and a punch. That's the only two things you're going to need. It's pretty quick. What you're going to do is you're going to take your spring, stick it in the hole. You take your punch, push it in just about almost as far as you can get it. And you're going to take the pin and jam the pin into the spring, and it will lock the spring backwards most of the time. That one should be pretty good. All right, at this point, what it allows you to do is install the keeper with your fingers, and it's not going to go in all the way. That's about it. But what it does is it takes the tension off the spring, so you don't need a pair of pliers. Now all you got to do is take, this is a forward pivot pin today is being played by a punch because I don't have any. All you got to do is line it up and it'll pop right in. Like so. Again, sorry about the bad camera angle. I'm trying to do 4 things with 2 hands. Have a good day.